Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Dell laptop if it is not turning on even after plugging your laptop. So this problem can be fixed easily by removing firstly the adapter from your laptop and also the battery from your laptop. So I have removed both of these. So now I will show you how to fix this issue. So for this you have to press the power button for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so after pressing the power button for 2 to 3 minutes you just have to put your battery and plug in your laptop, and when you press the power button you will see that your laptop will turn on. But what I faced is that my laptop was still not turning on after doing this method. So what I did was that I removed my laptop battery, and I then again repeat this process of pressing the power button for 2 to 3 minutes. But then I didn't put my battery into my laptop, nor did I plug in my laptop. I just left my laptop for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I open the laptop lid, and I again repeat this method of pressing the power button for 2 to 3 minutes. And after then I didn't put my battery, I just plug in my laptop and try to turn it on with the power button, and it fixed my problem and my laptop turned on. So guys, this is mostly happened due to static charges. Some laptops store static charge even after turn off. So you can fix this problem by doing these two methods, and I am 200% sure that it will fix your problem. But still, if it does not fix your problem, then there is a possibility that your motherboard is faulty. So guys, I hope this video will help you in fixing your problem, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also do likes and comments on my videos, and thank you. Goodbye.